So as you can see here, the top of a pineapple is not particularly eye-appealing. I've shaved it down and created what will eventually be a centerpiece to my fruit platter. By having something to build upon in your fruit platters, or any platter for that matter, it gives it height. And at the end of the day, height is what looks great in presentation. I'm gonna lop off the bottom. I do this with just about every vegetable or fruit. Top's gone, bottom's gone. Nice stable surface to work with. Now I can do, just like I did with a butternut squash or a watermelon, I'm gonna slowly work my way around the edge, giving it a quarter turn each time, removing all of that exterior skin. Okay? Once I've gotten rid of all my skin, I'm gonna cut it into quarters. See this? Now that I've got these nice quarters, I can remove the spine. Run down the side of the spine, and that is pure edible pineapple. Continue slicing. Look at these beautiful little, again, it's that offset that allows me to do this. See, I could tuck that underneath there and wrap around the corner. Look at that. Strawberries, big thing of grapes, done. Over here, we could do the same thing, but let's go sticks for the kids, or maybe you want to shove that inside of a pina colada glass, right? All types of options. Bread slicers are not just for bread, obviously.